Hello out there, distance learners. Today we are working with week 16, a physical map of the great country of Canada, our neighbors to the north. Did you know that Canada is actually larger than the United States? I didn't really realize that. I knew they were close, but I knew one of them had to be bigger, and it is in fact Canada. So we're looking at a physical map. A physical map, again, means that we can see the physical features of that map. For example, we can see the Rocky Mountains, the tallest mountains in Canada, just like the tallest mountains in the United States, are the Rocky Mountains. We have the coastal ranges, we have interior plains, we have the Canadian Shield, and that's this U shape right here. The Canadian Shield is a region of ancient rocks that curves around the Hudson Bay. The southern part of the shield is thick with forests, and the northern part is tundra. The further you get up there, the colder it is for longer. We also have some great words here like the Beaufort Sea. So we don't not only have oceans, but we have seas. The sea empties into the river and the lake, and actually I should say the lake empties into the river and then into the sea. And we have other lakes here, Lake Winnipeg and others here. We also have the Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay is surrounded on three sides by water, so that is a bay. Notice that we have a Hudson Strait that connects the Labrador Sea to Hudson Bay. So straits might be a new word for you. Seas and straits. We have the Davis Strait here, connecting Baffin Bay, again surrounded on three sides by land as we go. Don't forget we have the Great Lakes here as well. So, and the Appalachian Mountains, we talked about those earlier as well. Just like the Rocky Mountains carry north, so do the Appalachian Mountains here as well. Canada's got a ton of really cool physical features. The Canadian Shield and the interior plains are the largest land regions of Canada. The southern part of the Canadian Shield is thick with forests, and the northern part is tundra. The southern part of the interior plains is mostly grasslands, and the northern part is tundra. The tundra is an Arctic plain that remains frozen except for the ground just at the surface. Mosses and small shrubs are the only kinds of plants that grow in a tundra. So please notice that we do have a legend today. Our legend is showing us our major mountain range and major rivers. So there are more mountains, there are more rivers, but these are the major ones. Also notice we have a compass rose. It only has north, but we know we can figure out south, east, and west. Remember that if I was using relative location, Canada is just north of the United States. So that is our lesson for today. Canada, it is a physical map, so looking at those physical features and how they interact with each other in the country of Canada.